Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Toyota Sienna sliding door. We'll start by identifying common issues, like a failing motor or frayed cables. Always check the door track for any obstructions and clean it thoroughly. Don't forget to inspect the rollers and hinges for signs of wear or damage. These initial steps are crucial for a successful repair, helping you pinpoint the exact problem quickly. Once you've identified the problem, it's time for repairs. Start by lubricating the door tracks and all moving parts with a good silicone-based spray. If your rollers are worn, replacing them can make a huge difference in door smoothness. Also, test the door motor and its electrical connections to rule out any power supply issues. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. For more complex issues, you might need to replace the entire sliding door cable assembly, especially if it's frayed or broken. Proper door alignment is also key to prevent grinding or sticking, so adjust it carefully. If you encounter complex electrical problems or need a full motor replacement, it's often best to consult a professional.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.